Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown that will make your head spin faster than a failed print. On the left, we have the AnkerMake M5C, and on the right, we have the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, the AnkerMake M5C comes in at a cool $399. It's like buying a first-class ticket to Printville. Meanwhile, on the right, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is only $219. That's economy class, but hey, it still gets you to Printville without emptying your wallet. So if you're on a budget, Creality is your new best friend. But if you've got some extra cash lying around, AnkerMake might just be worth the splurge. Now, let's talk speed. The AnkerMake M5C boasts an insane 500 millimeters per second, thanks to its PowerBoost 2.0 technology. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers, but don't count Creality out just yet. The Ender 3v3 SE can hit up to 250 millimeters per second. It's more like the Mo Farah, still fast, just not breaking any world records. Next, ease of use. The AnkerMake M5C lets you control everything from an app. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, you name it. You could be sipping a margarita on a beach and still know the status of your print. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is like, hey, I'm easy too. With just 3 steps to get started and an auto-leveling feature, it's practically begging you to take it home. All right, quality time. The AnkerMake M5C can print with a precision of up to 50 micrometers. That's microscopic, folks. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE isn't too shabby either, but it's not hitting those ultra-fine details. So if you're a stickler for the tiniest details, AnkerMake might be your jam. Reliability and compatibility. Sounds like we're talking about dating profiles, right? AnkerMake M5C can handle a wide range of filament materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and even PLACF, carbon fiber. It's like the buffet of 3D printing. Creality Ender 3v3 SE, on the other hand, is a bit more limited. So if you're into exotic filaments, you know where to swipe right. User-friendly features are where these printers really shine. AnkerMake M5C comes with automatic bed leveling, power and filament outage recovery, and a PEI flexible magnetic plate. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Creality Ender 3v3 SE also packs a punch with auto filament loading, unloading, and a dual Z-axis for stability. Think of it as the reliable, no-fuss friend who's always got your back. Reviewers love the AnkerMake M5C for its high quality, speed, and versatility, despite some noise and higher cost. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is appreciated for its ease of use and affordability, making it a great choice for beginners. Some users did face issues with both printers, but overall, they are highly recommended in their respective price ranges. So, who takes the crown? If you're all about speed, precision, and a little luxury, the AnkerMake M5C is your go-to. But if you're ballin' on a budget and need something reliable and easy to use, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a solid choice. Either way, you're getting a fantastic 3D printer. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments which printer you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing!